Hello students, in this lecture we continue the examples in the exercise 2.3. Okay, in the last two lectures we see the sum of the infinite term in a geometric progression. Okay, sum of the infinite term in a geometric progression denoted by S, and it is a upon 1 minus r. Okay, and here in this there is a condition, that is the mod r is less than 1. Okay, that means the geometric progression is a decreasing sequence. It is a condition for the sum of the infinite term in a geometric progression. Okay, now in this lecture we see some simple examples on this formula, that is the sum to the infinite term in a geometric progression. Okay, here it is a third example in our exercise 2.3. If the common ratio of a geometric progression, it is a 2 by 3, that means it is a value of r, and sum to infinity is 12, that means given the value of r and s, now we want to find the first term, that is we want to find the value of the a. Okay, now first we denote a, r and s. Okay, here let a be the first term, here r with a common ratio, and this yes is sum to infinity of a geometric progression. Okay, and now here given that it is the common ratio r is equal to 2 by 3 and sum to infinity it is a 12. Okay, it is given. Now we want to find the first term, that is the a, and therefore we know that the sum to the infinity it is a s is equal to a upon 1 minus r. Okay, and now put the values, it is 12 is equal to a upon 1 minus 2 by 3, r it is a 2 by 3, then we calculate this, it is a upon, see carefully, it is a 2 by 3, that means 3 minus 2 it is 1, so we can write here 1 by 3. A upon 1 by 3, 12 is equal to a upon 1 by 3, therefore 12 into 1 by 3 is equal to a, and then we get the value of a, 1 by 3, it is value of a, it is a 4. Here this 1 by 3 becomes in the multiple of this, 12 into 1 by 3 it is 4, that means first term it is a 4. Simple example. Okay, now we see the second, it is a example number 4. Again same, let a be the first term, r be the common ratio, and yes is sum to infinity of geometric progression. Okay, it is the same as this. Now here given, okay, in the previous example there are the common ratio and sum is given. Now here the first term is 16 and the sum to infinity it is 96 upon 17, that means here given it is a is equal to 16 and sum it is 96 upon 17, and therefore we know the formula, it is s is equal to a upon 1 minus r. Now put the value, we want to find the value of r, therefore it is a 96 upon 17 is equal to a, it is a 16 upon 1 minus r. See carefully this, then we can write 1 minus r in LHS, and here 17 in the numerator, therefore it is a 16 into 17 upon 96. And now take this calculation. Here 16 and 96, 16 6 are 96, that means it is a 17 upon 6. 1 minus r is equal to 17 upon 6, and therefore r is equal to, r becomes in RHS and it is this LHS, therefore 1 minus 17 by 6, and then r is equal to, see carefully, it is a 6 minus 17, that means minus 11 by 6. Here it is a answer of this question number 4. Here common ratio, it is a minus 11 by 6, and in the example number 3 there is a, we want to find the first term, and first term it is a 4. Okay, now we see the next example. Okay, it is a simple examples, carefully now. Now next example number 5. The sum of an infinite GP is 5, and the squares of these terms, square of these terms is 15. Find the geometric progression. Now here we want to find the geometric progression, that means we want to find the sequence. Okay, now here the sum of an infinite GP is 5, sum of the infinite term, given that it is a 5, and second condition, it is a square of these terms is 15. Now here let A be the first term and R is common ratio of geometric progression. Okay, therefore here AR square, AR cube up to infinite is a geometric progression. A is a first term and R is a common ratio, and here given that sum of an infinite term, given sum to infinity of GP, that is geometric progression, is 5, and therefore we can write here formula for the sum. It is a S is equal to A upon 1 minus R, that is here S is equal to 5, therefore A upon 1 minus R is equal to 5. We take this is equation number 1. It is our first condition. The sum of an infinite geometric progression is 5. Sum of an infinite geometric progression, it is 5. It is our first condition. Now the second condition, it is given a square of these terms is 15. Square of these terms it is. Okay. Now square of terms in geometric progression R. Here first it is a square, then a square r square, then a square, it is a square, okay, a square r to the power 4, then a square r to the power 6, like that, okay, up to infinite. Square, it is a square, it is square, it is square. Now here see carefully, it is again a sequence, and then it is a geometric progression also, okay. Here first term it is a and common ratio it is a r square, okay. Here it is also geometric progression with first term a square and common ratio r square, okay. And therefore here a square plus a square r square plus a square r to the power 4 plus a square r to the power 6 plus and so on up to infinity, okay, is, it is a square upon 1 minus r square. It is a formula for the sum of the infinite term. See carefully, sum of the infinite term, it is a first term and 1 minus the common ratio. In this geometric progression, a square is a first term and r square is a common ratio, r square. See carefully, it is a r square. If in this condition here, if sum to infinity exists, that means mod r is a less than 1, okay. And here this is exist if mod of r square is also less than 1, okay. Now here we can write this sum to infinity exist here if it is a mod r is a less than 1, that is mod of r square is also less than 1, okay. And therefore we can write a square upon 1 minus r square is equal to 15. It is a given. The sum of the squares of these terms is a 15. These are the infinite terms, okay. Here infinite, it is sum of the infinite term, and sum we can denote by this, okay. Now here and the value of this is given. What is this? It is a 15, okay. Now we can solve the equation number 1 and equation number 2 and find the value of a and r, and then we get the geometric progression. It is a geometric progression, okay. Now here equation 1 and equation 2, by using equation 1 and 2, see carefully, here it is a square, okay. Here a upon 1 minus r is equal to 5, that means a is equal to 5 into 1 minus r, okay. Therefore see carefully, here 5 into 1 minus r square upon 1 minus r square is equal to 15 by equation number 1. Here put the value of a, okay, and now we calculate this. It is 25 into 1 minus r whole square, and in the denominator see carefully, here 1 minus r square, here we use a square minus b square, that means 1 minus r 1 plus r is equal to 15, okay. See carefully, therefore, okay, therefore here 1 minus r get cancelled, here it is a 25, okay. Therefore we can write 25 into 1 minus r upon 1 plus r is equal to 15. And now we can write it is a 25 into 1 minus r. Okay, we can directly multiply. Okay, here 25 into 1, it is a 25 minus 25r. Okay, and here 1 plus r in this RHS, therefore we can write it is a 15 plus 15r. Okay, and now here it is a 25 minus 25, we can write here it is a plus 25, therefore, and 15 we can write here, therefore 25 minus 15, see carefully, 15 becomes in a LHS, 25 minus 15, it is a 10 is equal to, this 25 becomes RHS, it is a plus, therefore here minus 25 becomes plus, therefore plus 15 and minus becomes plus, that is a plus 25, it is a 40r, and therefore r is equal to 1 by 4. It is a value of r. See carefully, it is value of r. Now we find the value of a, therefore by 1 a is equal to 5 into 1 minus r, therefore here 5 into 1 minus 1 by 4, and then is equal to, see carefully, 5 into 1 by 4, it is 4 minus 1, that means 3 by 4, it is a 3 by 4 into 5, it is 15 by 4, check the calculation. Okay, therefore value of a, it is a 15 by 4, it is value of a. Now we want to find the geometric progression. It is a is equal to 15 by 4 and r is equal to this, and it is the value of a. Okay, a is equal to 15 by 4 and r is equal to 1 by 4, therefore the geometric progression is a. Okay, a, it is a 15 by 4 comma, it is a into, that is 15 by 4 into 1 by 4 comma, then a into r square, that is 15 by 4 into 1 by 4 square. Okay, like that. It is a geometric progression, and this also we can write it is a 15 by 4 comma 15 upon 4 square comma 15 upon 4 cube and up to infinite. Okay, here it is a geometric progression, 15 by 4, 15 by 4 into 1 by 4, 15 by 4 into 1 by 4 square, put the value in this, that means here 15 upon 4, second term is 15 upon 4 square, third term it is 15 upon 4 cube, fourth term is 15 upon 4 to the power 4 up to infinite. It is a geometric progression. See carefully and check all the calculations. Okay. Now we see now next example number 6. Find the sums. It is example number 1. It is summation of 4 into 0.5 to the power r, where r is equal to 1 to infinity. That means here sum of the infinite terms. Second example, summation over, it is r is equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 by 3 to the power r. Then third, summation over r is equal to 0 to infinity minus 8 into minus 1 by 2 to the power r. And last example number 4, summation over n is equal to 1 to infinity 0.4 to the power n. Okay. Now here we calculate the all sums. For the first example, see carefully. Solution. Here it is given that summation of r is equal to 1 to infinity of 4 into 0.5 to the power r. Now here it is a 4 constant, we take the outside. It is a 4 into summation r is equal to 1 to infinity of here 0.5 to the power r. Okay. Now it is a symbol for the summation, and the value of r is equal to 1 to infinity, that means 0.5 to the power 1 plus 0.5 to the power 2 plus 0.5 to the power 3 up to infinite. Now this can be written as in the form, it is a 4 into here 0.5 to the power 1, that means 0.5 plus 0.5 to the power 2 plus 0.5 to the power 3 plus and so on up to infinite. Okay. Now see carefully here. It is 1, it is not necessary to write here. It is a 0.5 plus 0.5 square plus 0.5 cube up to infinite. Now see carefully this series. Okay, we can write this series in the form of the sequence. If it is a first term, it is a 0.5, second term is a 0.5 square, third term it is a 0.5 cube. That means this sequence is in a geometric progression with first term it is a 0.5 and the common ratio is also 0.5. Okay, see carefully. Now here the sequence 0.5 comma 0.5 square 0.5 cube up to infinite is a geometric progression with first term a it is a 0.5 and r is a 0.5 square upon 0.5, that means 0.5. Okay, and here it is mod r, we can write here mod r, that means mod of 0.5, it is a 0.5 which is less than 1, that is sum to infinity exist. Okay, here sum to infinity exist, it is mod r less than 1, where a is equal to 0.5 and r is equal to 0.5. Therefore this can be written as r is equal to 1 to infinity 4 into 0.5 to the power r. It is a 4 as it is, and it is a sum to infinity, and the formula is a upon 1 minus r. Okay, and a it is a 0.5 and r it is also 0.5, and then we can write 4 into a it is a 0.5 upon 1 minus 0.5. Okay, and then it is 4 into 0.5 upon 0.5, and then it is 4 into 1, and therefore summation r is equal to 1 to infinity 4 into 0.5 to the power r is equal to, it is 4. That means the answer of the question number 1, it is 4. Okay, see carefully here. Such type of the example we have already discussed in a last lecture. Okay, but in the last lecture there is a given 0.5 not, it is a 1 by 2. It is a 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 cube up to infinite, and the sum it is 1. Also we take one more example. It is a 1 plus 1 by 2 square 1 by 2 cube plus and so on up to, and then answer of this question it is a 2. Okay, here the both the examples we have done in our last lecture. It is also same, but here 1 by 2 can be written in the form of the 0.5. Okay, here question is same. Okay, here answer it is a 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 cube. Here 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 cube. It is answer 2, and here it is answer 3. Sorry, it is 1. Okay, this example we are done in our last lecture. Okay, now we see the example number 2. Here example number 2, summation over r is equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 by 3 to the power r. Okay, here minus 1 by 2 1 by 3 to the power r is equal to 1 to infinity. Therefore this can be written, it is minus 1 by 3 to the power 1 plus minus 1 by 3 to the power 2 plus minus 1 by 3 to the power 3 plus and so on up to infinity. Again this series, okay, it is minus 1 by 2 plus minus 1 by 3 square plus minus 1 by 3 cube. Okay, we can write this series in the form of the sequence, and then this sequence is in a geometric progression with first term it is a minus 1 by 3 and common ratio here it is a plus, so again minus 1 by 3. Okay, now here it is minus 1 by 3 first term, here minus 1 by 3 square, that means it is a 1 by 3 square. Okay, plus it is minus 1 by 3 cube, that means, sorry, here not plus, it is minus 1 by 3 cube. Okay, this series we can write in the form of the sequence. Here first term minus 1 by 3, second term it is minus 1 by 3 square, so this minus becomes plus. Okay, third term minus 1 by 3 cube. Okay, so it is minus as it is. The fourth term again plus. Okay, up to infinite is a geometric progression. Okay, this is geometric progression with a is equal to minus 1 by 3 and r is also minus 1 by 3. Okay, now here mod r, it is mod of minus 1 by 3, it is 1 by 3 and which is less than 1, that is sum to infinity exist because mod r less than 1. Now we know the formula for the sum, therefore it is sum, it is s is equal to a upon 1 minus r. It is a formula for the sum, we can directly write in this. Okay, here, and therefore it is summation r is equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 by 3 to the power r is equal to, here it is a upon 1 minus r, and then a a, what is the a? Minus 1 by 3. And 1 minus r, it is again minus 1 by 3. Okay, now take the calculation. It is minus 1 by 3 upon, see carefully, it is a 3 and this minus minus plus. Therefore 3 plus 1, it is a 4 by 3. Okay, and therefore the sum is minus 1 by 4. See carefully. 3 get cancelled. It is a upon, it is 1 minus r. It is a minus 1 by 3. It is minus 1 by 3. So it is plus 3 plus 1. It is a 4 by 3. Minus 1 by 3 upon 4 by 3. 3 get cancelled. It is minus 1 by 4. Okay. Now we see the third example. Here we take the sum. R is equal to 0 to infinity minus 8 into minus 1 by 2 to the power r. This can be written, it is a minus 8 into sum r is equal to 0 to infinity of minus 1 by 2 to the power r. Now here this can be written, it is a minus 8 into take r is equal to 0, then r is equal to 1, r is equal to 2 up to infinite. Here minus 1 by 2 to the power 0 plus minus 1 by 2 to the power 1 plus minus 1 by 2 to the power 2 plus minus 1 by 2 to the power 3 plus and so on up to infinite. Okay. Now again this can be written, it is minus 8 into, it is 1, minus 1 by 2 to the power 0, it is 1, plus here it is minus 1 by 2, see carefully, plus it is 1 by 2 square minus, get plus, again plus it is a minus 1 by 2 cube plus and so on up to infinite. See carefully this, it is 1, it is minus 1 to the power 1, it is minus 1. Okay, and it is a plus 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 for this summation. Okay, here the sequence 1 comma minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 square comma minus 1 by 2 cube up to infinite is a geometric progression. Okay, it is a geometric progression with a is equal to 1 and r is equal to minus 1 by 2. See carefully, here the common ratio, it is minus 1 by 2. Now we take mod r is equal to mod of minus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2, and which is less than 1, that is sum to infinity exist. Okay, here therefore we can write this sum r is equal to 0 to infinity minus 8 into minus 1 by 2 to the power r is equal to minus 8 into, see carefully, a upon 1 minus r. It is a sum, this minus 8 into this. Okay, and in this geometric progression a is equal to 1 and r is equal to minus 1 by 2, and therefore it is minus 8 into a, it is a 1 upon 1 minus 1 by 2. Then take the calculation, minus 8 into, here minus minus plus, it is a 3 by 2, 1 upon 3 by 2, then 3 by 2, that it is a 2 by 3, that means it is minus 16 by 3, minus 16 by 3. It is answer of this third question, minus 16 by, it is calculation 3 by 2, or it is 1 by 3 by 2, therefore it is a 2 by 3, 2 into minus 8, it is minus 16 by 3. Now we see the last example. here example number 4. Summation over n is equal to 1 to infinity 0.4 to the power n, and then it is 0.4 to the power 1 plus 0.4 to the power 2 plus 0.4 to the power 3 plus and so on up to infinite. Again this sequence, okay, here 0.4 square, 0.4 cube to dash is a geometric progression with a is equal to 0.4 and r also 0.4, and here mod r is less than 1. That means sum is exist. Mod r is less than 1, it is a 0.4, okay, and therefore we can write summation of 0.4 to the power n, where n is equal to 1 to infinity 0.4 to the power n is equal to a upon 1 minus r. Then a, it is a 0.4 upon 1 minus 0.4, and then take the calculation. It is a 0.4 upon 0.6, it is a 4 by 6, and that means 2 by 3. It is the sum of the infinite terms of this. Okay? See carefully this, check all the calculations.